Assalamualaikum and greetings to all. My name is Nir Rahim bin Abdul Rahman from AT2201A and my student ID is 2023-272612. Today I will be presenting an insect pest and its management and controls. And before we get started, I would like to thank to Dr. Hasina Arun for giving us this opportunity and exposure, as well as knowledge that we will gain from this presentation. First and foremost, let me review the contents of today's presentation for you. We are going to discuss about introduction of oil palm and insect pests, life cycle of insect pests in oil palm, and before I'm wrapping up our presentation today, we will discuss about symptoms and control practice of insect pest damage. As far as our knowledge goes, oil palm or its scientific name Oryctes was originated from Guinea, Africa, and first introduced to Malaya as a commercial plant sometime between 1916 and 1917 at the Tenamaran estate in Selangor. In 2022, the gross domestic product or GDP contribution from palm oil in Malaysia was estimated to be 2.4% of its GDP. Palm oil is one of Malaysia's primary industry and its main agricultural export globally. The economic lifespan of an oil palm is around 20 to 25 years. After which the yield decreases and the palm becomes too tall to harvest efficiently. Once past their prime, mature palms are felled to make way for new ones. There are many species of insects that infested the oil palm plantations in Malaysia. One of the major insect pests is Rhinoceros beetle or Oryctes rhinoceros. The Rhinoceros beetle is in order of Coleoptera and in the family of Scarabidae, was first emerged as one of the major pests in the 90s, mainly resulted from the zero burning implementation. Burning of oil palm waste from replanting had helped destroying the breeding ground of all insect pests including Oryctes, or its local name Kumbang Badak. However, since the zero burning policy was first introduced in the plantation sector, the pest infestation has become one of the major contributions in the low yield and high maintenance costs in the plantation management. Rhinoceros beetle is considered nocturnal or active at night. If Rhinoceros beetle can be seen clearly in abundance in the day, we can conclude that the infestation is serious. Next, we will look at the life cycle of the Rhinoceros beetle. The complete life cycle of a Rhinoceros beetle from egg to adults can take 4 to 9 months depending on environmental variables including humidity, temperature, and the food source availability. The major Rhinoceros beetle is 35 to 50 mm long and 20 to 23 mm wide, with a cephalic horn and lustrous black body. A longer horn would help to distinguish the male from the female. The females lay between 70 and 100 yellowish white eggs, which after 8 to 12 days emerge into C-shaped larvae. It takes 82 to 207 days for each of the 3 larval instars to mature into pre-pupae. Each instar was distinguished from the others using the diameter of the head capsule. Before we jump into the controls and treatment, we should examine and investigate what types of insect pests and the level of infestation in our plantations. For that reason, sensors and field observation are crucial to determine appropriate approaches for control. The damage caused by Rhinoceros beetles to immature palms can be recognized as fresh and old damage. In fresh damage, new and fresh fibers sticking out from the holes can be clearly observed in the base of the frond. After some time, the frond's petiole break and leaves look cut into V or triangular shape. Death of young palm may occur if the attack is severe and repetitive, if the growing point is eaten by the beetle. At this moment, treatment is inappropriate and considered too late. The level of infestation could be considered severe if tall mature palms area is also being attacked and damaged. After census and observation has been made, control and treatment should be speed up to reduce level of threshold. There are 3 types of control, which are cultural, biological, and chemical control. In cultural control, the possible breeding ground of the Rhinoceros beetle in the heap of cheap trunks during replanting practically were buried in trenches. Another method to reduce the infestation is by hand picking, using special wire with hook tips called winkling techniques. Control open burning was also possible by acquiring special permission from the Department of Environment. For biological control, pheromone trap is used to lure Rhinoceros beetle into the special traps. Optionally, metarhizium was poured into the traps. The beetle is then released to spread the infection to the other rhinoceros. Additionally, the planting of beneficial plants would also help to attract predator, more or less to control insect pests in the oil palm plantations. Well-known chemical control was used to directly treat each and every palms, and in the same time increases the chances of accuracy and precision of pest control. The advantage of IPM is its ability to reduce reliance on chemical pesticides, promoting long-term sustainability and mitigating the development of pesticide resistance. Additionally, IPM considers the overall ecosystem, safeguarding non-target organisms and preserving biodiversity. Farmers adopting IPM practices often experience improved yields, reduced production costs, and increased profitability. Furthermore, IPM encourages continuous monitoring and adaptability, allowing farmers to respond promptly to changing pest dynamics. Education and outreach play crucial roles in the successful implementation of IPM, empowering farmers with knowledge and fostering a holistic understanding of pest management. In summary, IPM offers a balanced, environmentally friendly and economically viable approach to pest management, ensuring the long-term health and productivity of agricultural system. As global agriculture faces increasing challenges, the adoption of IPM principles become imperative for sustainable and resilient food production. Thank you.